All right, what is going on, guys? Welcome to this another rainy day here in Ohio. I just got done doing a roadie delivery and it took me down to some place. I think this is actually called Greentown. It's kind of close to North Canton, Ohio. There's a restaurant here called Twisted Citrus. Looked it up. Looked like they have some really good stuff on the menu. The place is kind of crowded. There's parking in front, but I had to actually drive around to the back to find a place to park. So yeah, we're gonna head in here, hopefully get a seat. See, it's pretty crowded out here in the parking lot. And yeah, right there, Twisted Citrus. All right, so let's head in there, give it a try. So those pigs in the blanket look really good. I think I want to try something different. I think I'm going to get the berry blue cakes, blueberry pancakes, with blueberry oats, lemon zest, and chantilly cream. Yeah, let's try something a little bit different. Sorry guys, I hope you can hear me. It's pretty loud in here. This is a really neat little place. Yeah, just happened to find it. I'm going to get my breakfast and I'll let you guys know how that is. But it's one of those things, like I say, you just gotta get out, find some places near you and give them a try. And that's what I'm doing today. You know, the hard part was she actually offered me a mimosa. That sounded so good, but I'm gonna try to stay away from drinking this early. Alright guys, so before I get into this, I was about to start chowing down and I almost forgot to show you what it looks like. Those are some huge blueberry pancakes, nice well done bacon. So I am going to murder this and I will see you after I'm done. Sorry guys, let's talk about Twisted Citrus. It's a little bit later in the day now. Right after I ate, I went and saw Godzilla, King of Monsters. I don't even think we'll talk about that. That was some of the worst acting I think I've ever seen in my life. But anyway, now I'm sitting here at Starbucks waiting for a friend that's gonna meet me here in about 10 minutes. That place, the Twisted Citrus, wow, that was so good. The blueberry pancakes are actually baked in a blueberry batter. It came out to, with the meal and the coffee, like 15 bucks. You know, and that's the thing about local places. Sometimes you might pay a little bit more, but you're helping to support a local business. Would I go there again if I'm in that area? Definitely. Like a lot of these things, you don't even have to travel. Like I said, I was just doing a delivery for roadie and I ended up close to the area. I just get somewhere and I'll type in restaurants near me and take out anything that's a chain and give a local place a try. Sorry guys, I'm just going to hang out here for a few minutes, wait for my buddy to show up. Definitely, if you happen to be in North Canton, Ohio, give Twisted Citrus a try. The service was a little bit slow, but I think that might have been because it was Father's Day and it was really packed in there. But other than that, the seats, they weren't the most comfortable, but it's a real neat little atmosphere. Sorry guys, I'm going to wrap this up and I'll see you in the next video.